A big challenge that we as African people face is that we are overcommitted to Western education to a point where we end up having lawyers who don't contribute to making the law work for us. We end up having doctors who, instead of using the indigenous medicines that we have had for centuries, choose to lean on the synthetic medicines that keep us sick. We end up having teachers who are not innovative enough to instill Africanism in our children. We have people who are educated, but most of them are useless to our communities. We need to change that as black people.